Hi, I'm Scott with Android Guys.
And I'm Luke.
With Android Guys.
Also with Android Guys.
Here's another product review. Luke, this one's yours.
Yeah.
So what did you spend some time with?
I got a chance to check out the UGREEN laptop stand docking station.
Laptop stand
Docking station. They're also calling it the X Kit.
Okay.
This is a laptop stand.
And a docking station.
A docking station. It's actually pretty great. It's aluminum, and the X Kit, the reason they call it the X Kit is it folds open and there's an X. So you put your laptop here. It also moves, and it has 4 adjustable heights based on how you want your laptop to sit.
So if I'm a student or
Yes.
I'm presenting or something like that, I can adjust it.
Yes.
If I'm just viewing and maybe I've got a
Also,
keyboard plugged in.
a whole bunch of people are working from home now, working
Right.
remote. This gives you a little bit more ability to use your laptop, maybe have an external keyboard, and have it set up so you have a better viewing angle. You can sit, you don't have to hunch over,
Right.
better posture support. It also then has a USB, comes with a USB-C to C cable that plugs in from your laptop to the port.
Okay.
And the ports it has on the other on this other side here, it has another C port, so you're not losing that C port that you plugged in from
Right.
your computer. It has 2 USB-A 3.0 ports.
Okay.
It has a 4K HDMI port, and that's 4K at 30 hertz. So not something that you're gonna do heavy gaming or anything like that on, but for an extra screen for productivity, it'll work totally fine. And then it gives you some card reader options. So a TF and an SD card slot. If you don't have those on your laptop right now, it just adds those in. Kind of gives you almost anything you would need.
Yeah.
Has anti-grip rubber on the bottom. Really nice feel. Not super heavy, but it also feels like it's gonna hold.
Yeah.
It's not gonna move
slip
around on
across.
you. Yeah, you're not gonna accidentally touch something on the keyboard and knock it over. That rubber is on the face of it too to hold your laptop on the stand.
That here.
Comes with a nice little pouch for it to put it in. Throw it in your bag for on the go.
I see it's got like a little magnetic kind of feel, so it doesn't want to...
Not going to just open and close like an accordion on you.
Right.
Or
pinch.
Right.
Too hard.
Right. But yeah, that's it. There's really not much to it, but you don't need much to it. It's a simple productivity piece.
Right.
It just works.
So if I have my Chromebook or laptop only has 1 or 2 ports, between an extra keyboard, an extra mouse, or maybe a USB-C monitor or something like that, you start to lose the ability to multitask.
Right.
This just kind of gives you the option to expand.
Right. And it also gives you a stand to set up for ergonomics and posture control. There's plenty of hubs available, but this is an extra an extra feature, and it's really not much bigger than most hubs that we've seen.
Well, yeah, you carry around something about that size to plug in. This is nice. So, is this something I can get today?
No. So it on UGREEN's website. Yes. Yeah, right. It's yours. On UGREEN's website, it is available. You can sign up to be part of the notification when it goes live. Looks like on Indiegogo.
Okay.
And you also, as of time of this recording, looks like there's a 55% off if you sign up for those notifications.
Okay.
Interested to see. I imagine once it comes out from Indiegogo, it's going to go to their regular site. I don't know how much this is going to be. I don't even have a guess. But it's aluminum.
Feels
a quality
nice.
build. It's nice components. It seems like the ports work fine. It's nice. It's great.
Right on.
And UGREEN, they have good stuff.
They have a variety of products.
Kind of
on their website.
Yeah. they kind of run any kind of peripheral that you would want. They have something for it. So yeah, these are great, or this is great, and if you are interested in something like this, it's definitely worth checking out, because it does two things really well.
Nice. And that's UGREEN, UGREEN.
Correct.
Thanks, Luke.
No problem.